Today, we want to talk about an investment platform that will help you to grow your money. This platform allows you to make money while you are sleeping or busy with other stuff. The name of this platform is Apollo Project Crypto Investment System. So Apollo Project is now open to everybody regardless of whatever country you are in the world to be able to participate in the investment program. To be a part of this, all you have to do is to deposit a specific amount of USDT in order to be able to unlock a corresponding Apollo plan and get some USDT every single day and be able to make withdrawals at any time of the day. The Apollo project is full of mass production, supplying most cities around the world to join the plan. The Apollo project includes car charging piles, self-driving logistics vehicles, food trucks, online car hailing, buses, trucks, smart cars, etc. etc. You can deposit both USDT and TRX using the TRC20 network. You can also deposit USDT and BNB using the BEP20 network. So when it comes to withdrawal, it supports USDT on the TRC20 network, and withdrawal is in real time. Once you withdraw, it takes just 2 minutes and the withdrawal is going to be credited into your wallet. Before I show you how to make money on this platform, I'd like to disclaim that this video is not a financial advice. I am not your financial advisor. The purpose of this video is just for educational purposes. So you might want to consult your financial advisor, or you might want to do your due diligence before investing in this platform. You should understand that cryptocurrency investment is a risky investment because cryptocurrency is volatile. I will not be held responsible for either profit or loss, whatever the outcome is going to be. Just know that you are the one that is totally responsible for whatever outcome you are going to be getting as a result of interacting in this platform. That being said, let's dive right into the video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit, how to withdraw, how to view your earnings, and also how to get your referral code so you could refer your family and friends and earn some commission when they make investments on this platform. So before I show you how to deposit and how to withdraw, these are the available plans on this platform. So if you go for Apollo Project 1 with cumulative recharge of 11 USDT, you are going to be earning 3 USDT every single day. Apollo Project 2 with cumulative recharge of $78 is going to be earning you 22 USDT every single day. So they have lots of plans that is suitable for your needs and your capital. And to earn more, make sure you refer your family and friends to this project, and you're actually going to be earning till the 3rd generation. For example, if A invites B and B invites C and C invites D, if D recharges $1,000, C is going to get $120 and B is going to get $20 while A is going to get $10. So you see why it is not good for you to only be earning on this platform alone, because if you go out there and share the good news with your family and friends, you are also going to be earning each time they recharge on this platform. So now we want to go into practical aspects, showing you how to create an account, how to make deposits, how to withdraw, how to choose a particular plan, and how to perform daily tasks in order to earn on this platform. To get started, make sure you use my link in the description of this video to create an account. Input your email address, create your password, and type this verification code. So in this case, this verification code is 2563, right? Once you are done with that, you click on sign up. After you've been able to sign up, the next thing you want to do is to click on recharge, and then you choose which of the cryptocurrencies you want to deposit, either USDT, TRX, or BNB. If you want to go for USDT, then you can choose either of the network, be it BEP20 or TRC20 network. So I'm going to be going for TRC20 network. I'm going to click on it. Then it's going to generate a wallet address. I'm going to copy the wallet address. Then I will take it to either my wallet or my Binance and transfer some USDT into my Apollo account. And you have to note that the minimum deposit you should deposit on this platform is 2 USDT. If you send anything less than 2 USDT, you are going to lose the money. So make sure you send a minimum of 2 USDT. But you have to also note that the lowest plan you can go for is 11 USDT. Once your deposit has been credited, you have to choose any of this plan that is suitable to your balance. As you can see, I have a balance of $472 and I already went for Apollo Project 3, which is 368. So if you click on this, you're actually going to see where to claim your USDT. So in this particular place where we have in progress is where my daily task was, and this is where I actually earned $104, which is actually what I'm going to be withdrawing to show you how to withdraw on this platform. So this is where you are going to be coming every single day, perform these tasks so you could be able to earn and make withdrawals once you've been able to perform your task. So since I've already performed my task, all I have to do is to click on completed, and clicking on completed, you can see that I was on Apollo Project 3 and my income was $104. That is what I have earned today so far, and you can see that the task is going to be resetted in the next 11 hours 53 minutes, right? So once this happens, I'm actually going to earn more. Then I will come here, perform the task again to claim another $104. So now, since I've already completed my task, the next thing I want to do is to click on home. Then I'm going to click on withdraw. Then you can see I have 104 USDT. Then I'll go to my Bybit to get my USDT wallet address. So my Bybit, I will simply click on assets. I'll click on deposits. I'll click on deposit crypto, click on USDT, and then I'll go for TRC20. I'll click on copy, go back to my Apollo, paste my wallet address, input the amount of money I want to withdraw, type in my password, confirm my password, withdrawal successful. To invite your family and friends in order to earn more on this platform, all you have to do is to click on invite. Then you are going to see copy, and you click on copy. Then you have successfully copied your wallet address, and then you click on copy. Then you can now send the link to your family and friends and invite them to join the platform, and you are going to be earning commissions from level 1 to level 3 each time they make a deposit on this platform. As you can see, the withdrawal is very fast. I've already gotten an email that 104 USDT has been deposited into my Bybit account. I believe you want to try this, you want to try investing and making money on this platform. And yes, don't forget to invite your family and friends so they can as well enjoy this platform with you. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, let me know in the comments below. If you check the description of this video, you are going to find a Telegram link that will take you to the Telegram channel of this investment platform.